Hi, I'm Antony, the Northern Area Sales Manager for Chord. I'm here to talk to you today about a bit of our history and a short run through our cables. Chord was started in the early to mid 80s by Sally Gibb, whose husband at the time worked for Name, and at the time Name only did din-to-din connections. They were starting to export to the American market, and they weren't familiar with that connection. They needed two phonos. So Sally was given the opportunity to start making these cables on the kitchen table. So she made a load of cables for the export market in America. That further transpired into making normal RCAs and trying to sell them into hi-fi shops, and that started off to be successful. Then after some time, the cable supplier ran out of this basic cable that we were using at the time, and the rep came to them and said, "I'm surprised, the volume of stuff you're getting through. We're actually going to have to change the cable to another type." And the guys at Chord were, "Well, not an issue. We just need cable. We've got soldering iron." After they made these cables with the different cable makeup, they found they sounded different, and that started the whole revolution that we're looking at now. Because at the time, cables were thought to just send a signal from A to B. There was nothing you could do to influence that signal. As long as the soldering was good at each end, it worked. That was great. So once they found out that whatever properties that were different on this cable made a difference, that's what started all the research and development and everything else that we know now. Cables, power cables, speaker cables, interconnects are quite often overlooked as the important part of your hi-fi system. They're not as pretty, they're not as flashy, they're maybe not as exciting, but the benefits you get from putting decent cable on can really come out in the audio performance that you get. The guys here at Audio Fair have all the expertise. They'll be able to help you all the way through the different ranges we do, and they offer a 30-day home trial on all our cables so that you can have a chance to see how they sound on your system. Our cables are organised into different ranges, starting with the C-line range up to Chord Music. In between there we've got Clearway, Shoreline, Epic and Signature, and Serum T, let's not forget that. Our research and development team worked tirelessly to find out different ways to make our cables sound better. Hundreds of hours are spent in the demo room listening to different cable combinations that we then pass on to the end user for what we believe are fantastic results for your music system. Thanks for watching this short video on the Chord Company. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Audio Fair.